Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And of course we open up the box by cutting apart the sticky tape that's holding the box lid down and taking a look into the box. You can see the Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater in there. Let's lift it out from its brown cardboard box packaging and always double checking to make sure nothing else is left behind inside the box. We're going to set the box to the side and then take a look around this large storage box grater. So obviously this is a kitchen utensil used for grating your vegetables, cheeses, or fruits. And just going to set it down so you have a nice good look without my hands or fingers being in the way, giving you a full 360 view right round the large storage box grater. And now we can remove the clear plastic bag from the storage box grater. And of course, being careful to discard or recycle the clear plastic packaging and keeping away from infants or babies. Now we have a better view of the Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater. And initial impressions is that it is very light to handle, very light in weight, as you can see right there, and size-wise, resting it in the palm of my hand, it is very, very large, hence its name being the Large Storage Box Grater. And now let me just pull that tag out so you have a nice clear view of this Argos Home product or kitchen utensil or kitchenware. So this is the Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater. Once again, giving you some sense of scale and size with my hands resting on the back or side of this grater and being very careful to handle it as well, given the edges of these grates are very, very sharp. Okay, and giving you a close-up look at the tag or product details for this Argos Home Storage Box Grater in the large size. And now let's go ahead and of course remove the tag by cutting off the plastic string that's keeping it tied to the grater. And of course giving you a look right round once again. And now, of course, removing this plastic film that's holding the base of the grater intact with the main grater body. Okay, so now we have the absolutely clear view right now with no tag or clear plastic film in the way of this Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater. So right there, giving you some sense of size again and scale, being very, very large, and giving you a close-up look to the details of the grates or grating holes. Right round this storage box grater in the large size. So that's a full view right round. And of course, taking a look inside as well, we can see there is some other parts in there. And it's nice to see that it is recyclable. And of course, let's peel off this protective plastic film to expose the very sharp edge right there. So be very careful when handling this grater. And let's see if we can pop the base or bottom of the grater out. And before I do that, actually, let me show you the handle. So it has a nice satin finish, as you can see right there, and giving you some sense of the size with my hand gripping the carry handle at the top. Once again, very light in weight. And now at the base, let's pop open the base. So there is a lid right there, and it is completely removable. Gonna set it down, and now taking a look on the inside right there, showing you the depth of this storage box grater. And of course we can lift this unit out as well. So this storage box part of the grater is recyclable. We see that recycle symbol once again, and giving you some sense of the size right there of this container or tub. And of course, looking inside the grater as well. Right there, just going to make some adjustments with the background as well, so that it doesn't blend in or interfere with the foreground too much. So a nice good look right around the entire unit. So plastic and metal construction, very light in weight. And on the bottom part of this grater, this feels like it is very durable, as the top material is hard plastic or ABS plastic or something similar. However, the base is rubber, so it will handle knocks and drops pretty well. Right there, you can see it actually even bounces off the tabletop right there. Okay, so nice good look right round to the cutting surface of the grater from the inside as well as the outside. So being very careful to keep my fingers and hands back from those very sharp surfaces. And of course with the tub, just showing you separately, keeping the Argos Home box grater main part there. We do have a storage box here now with the lid placed on top of the lid or box right there for all your storage needs. So pretty handy unit right here. Just going to set it down so you can see what's what. Right there, the grater and the storage box side of it. And should we need to grate directly, we can always simply just plug in or insert the box unit into the base of the grater, and we can grate directly our vegetables, fruits or cheeses or any other product directly into that box storage unit right there at the base of the grater. So let's of course test it out. So just going to give you one last look right there. And then now we do have a plate here with a carrot. Let's test out the grater by, of course, being careful here to make sure that it is nice and balanced. We can do some grating directly into the box, being very careful here. Of course, I do have a camcorder and tripod in the way. I have to be extra careful not to slip. So the edges are very, very sharp indeed. Grating away this carrot. And now let's take a look in the compartment down here. You can see there are, of course, some shavings still stuck in the grates of the grater. Obviously, I've only just done a very, very light demo, but you can see that the gratings have gone into the container, and of course we can always lid it and store it away once we're finished. So that's the Argos Home Large Storage Box Grater. Thanks for watching and happy grating!